Yeah, so we first met Consul General last year sa Calgary. There was a video that by the United Filipino Entrepreneurs Association. It's very engaging. She actually sat down with us and talked about the Filipino community and what are we looking at. Years kanyang enthusiasm and doing all of these things para po sa community natin. So I'd like to welcome our Honorable Consul General Emma Sarne.
Thank you, Bernard. Pero parang hindi ito yung pinag-usapan natin kanina.
Oh yeah.
Well, okay. First off, I would like to welcome everyone and thank everyone for coming. We sent letters to the Filipino community organizations in and around Edmonton, in Alberta, because of the initiative that will really affect of that terrific accident. As I mentioned, it could have been a happier occasion, but we move on. We keep them in our memories, of course. Ipinasasadyos natin ang kanilang mga kaluluwa, and of course, healing for those who have been affected. But as I have also mentioned in my speech yesterday at the Mass in their honor, it is important that we move on. It is important that we move on, but not forgetting them. And at the same time, we move on with a kind of courage that will enable us to create safe spaces, right? Safe spaces that can still be inclusive, which was what the Lapu-Lapu Festival was meant to be. Anyway, so we wanted sana, kasi sunod-sunod na po itong mga festivals natin. May is Philippine Heritage Month in the Philippines. May is Asian Heritage Month here in Alberta. June is, of course, Philippine Independence Day, and at the same time, by proclamation of the Legislative Assembly, June is also Philippine Heritage Month. So I'm pretty sure, sunod-sunod na po yung mga festivities natin, and I'm sure maraming mga nag-aagam-agam. Hindi ba? Kung ano po ang mangyayari dun sa mga festivals po natin. But we pray for courage that we can continue holding these festivals with compassion, with kindness, and with the spirit of inclusivity, because that's what we want. We want to showcase po ang ating kultura. Tell everyone that our festivals are inclusive and everyone is welcome. But sana po may konting pagbabago na mangyayari. May mga konting security and safety features that will be installed, especially if we are going to hold it sa streets. I think sa mga venues, wala pong problema din, but I think if we're going to hold it in a street, we should ask the mayor, we should ask our councilors, our ward councilors, to make sure that these festivities will have enough security, will be safe. Do the declaration, or do you want the declaration now?
No, you can go ahead.
All right, so let's do this first. I know I called you all here. In this letter coupon, there are two issues that I wanted to take up with you. First is, of course, the online voting, and this is very here places here in the big, so bagong dating din lang po si Denise. Denise, magpakita ka sa kanila.
Hello po.
Tayo. That's right. Kung may mga SSS queries po kayo, andyan lang po si Denise. Wala si Manny dito, but at saka si Christine. They are also here to assist you, but we also have si Pauline.